Welcome to the CycleSafe user guide for remotely reserving a CycleSafe locker from your phone. When using the app, be sure that your Bluetooth is on, as this is how the lockers communicate with your cellular device. First, open the Movatic app. A map will then come up with pins marking where your parking locations are. This is the home screen for the app. Tap the pin location where you wish to store your bike. Click Select a Bike Locker to start the rental process. A list will appear with the lockers available to rent with the coinciding locker number. Click the green Rent button for the locker number you wish to rent. If this is the first time you're using the system, the terms of service for that system of lockers will appear. Click Accept and you'll be brought to the rental details page that includes the system membership and terms of service document for the system. On the bottom of this page is a green Rent button. Click the Rent button to continue. The Rent Locker page will appear. Click Continue to start the rental. You have now successfully reserved that locker. Click Unlock now to activate the lock, or click Rent Another if you would like to rent more than one locker. You can also unlock later if you need time to get in front of the locker, but remember that you are actively reserving the locker and this counts as time used. You may see the Searching for Locker page prompting you to hold your phone close to the locker. Ensure that your phone is within 8 feet of the locker door. The lock will then automatically pop open and you will see the Rental Started page. You may now open the door and place your bike and equipment into the locker and securely lock the door. Then click Continue. You will then be brought back to the home screen for active rentals. You may see a pop-up reminding you to end the rental once you are done storing your bike. Click I understand. Please ensure the locker door has indeed locked before going about your day. When you are ready to retrieve your belongings from the locker, navigate to the Movatic app. If you open the app and are not already on the active rental page, click the middle circle at the bottom of the page that states you have an active rental. On the active rental page, you will see a locker number, the name of the system you are in, as well as the location name and the amount of time you have been renting the locker. To complete the rental process, click End Rental. You will be reminded to remove your belongings from the locker, as you will now be freeing this locker to be used by another cyclist. Please be sure to properly close and lock the locker door behind you. Click Continue and you'll be brought to the summary page for the station you used with the total time you rented the locker. Your rental has officially concluded at this point. Feel free to rate your experience or go back to the map to rent at another location. Thanks for watching. Please contact us for any further information about digital access or any of our other world-class bicycle storage products. Thank you again from CycleSafe.